Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to set up state and city specific taxes in your My Dakis account settings. This will make sure you're following all regional tax rates and are ready to start selling online. Here we are in our My Dakis account. Let's click on the settings icon in the left-hand menu to expand the settings dropdown. Next, we'll click on the Taxes and Fees dropdown to expand that menu. Then, we'll select Taxes from the available options and click that. This will open the Sales Tax page where we can add the correct tax rates for our region. At the top of the page, there's a button marked Add Region. Let's click that now. This opens up the menu where we can add our new region, New York City. Let's click on the drop-down menu to bring up the list of countries and select the United States of America. For our example, we chose the country our state is located in, but your country of choice may vary. Next, we'll click on the State/Province drop-down to expand that menu and choose our state. I'm going to represent Brooklyn and choose New York. Next, we'll expand the City drop-down and choose Brooklyn. Lastly, we'll click the Add Region button at the bottom of the page. We've successfully created our first region, NYC. Now we're going to add the tax rates to our new region. Let's click on the Add Tax button to the right of the newly added region. The Configure New Tax page will appear. In the Tax Name section, we'll need to fill out both the English and French fields. We can just copy the same info twice for each field. Next, we'll add the tax rate for New York City under the Tax Rate section. Let's click in the percentage field and add 4.5%. Note that we can check the Apply to Shipping checkbox if shipping is taxable in the region we are adding the tax to. For Brooklyn it is, so we'll leave this box checked. Once we've followed these steps, we'll hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. We'll go through that same process in order to add the other two tax rates for state and transportation surcharge. Let's add the text New York State for tax name and add 4.0% in the tax rate field. Don't forget to hit Save after adding each new tax rate. Next, let's add the Metropolitan Commuter Transportation District surcharge of 0.375%. Since that's a mouthful, we'll just name it Transport Tax. When added successfully, it will appear in the list of taxes underneath our region. Now that all three taxes for the region have been added, we're all done. That's it. It's just that easy. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.